Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can save your images in Photopea, so let's get right into it. There is a couple of different ways in which you can do this. You can, of course, just use the same old trick by just being within an image you're editing, clicking Control or Command plus S, and it should help you save the changes. If you click Save Changes, then the changes will be saved. If I click it again and again, it'll just save the changes. However, you can save it to your computer. To save it to your computer, you can click Save as PSD, and it will save it as a PSD file, which can then be loaded up and edited again with all the layers intact. What you can also do is go into Save More and PSD to storage, or save PSD PSB, or you can click Export As. You can export this as a PNG, as a JPEG, as a WebP, PDF, SVG, GIF, MP4, and a lot of different other whatever they're called formats. And yeah, it completely depends up to you on what you want to save it as, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.